नमस्कार मु ज्ञानरंजन दास एचएलसी आज कार्यक्रम को आपको समस्त स्वागत। आज जो विशेष कार्यक्रम आरंभ करने पूर्व आपण को एक छोट वीडियो माध्यम मन पकई देवा चाहिए। थरे आम यहाँ छाड़ी आमर पेज रे थर देखी नि वीडियो आपंकर मन अच्छे कि नहीं।
From JNB Jagatsinghpur. I am studying in class 8. In Corona pandemic, when I searched for a best institution in our locality, I got to know about HLC, which is providing education for plus 2 science and vocational science students. I joined here in April. In 9 months, I felt that it is a very good institution in our locality. It is more likely family than a typical coaching institution, and here the behavior of teachers like a career guide than a typical teacher. In the class, the way of explaining doubts and clearing and solving doubts is very good and excellent, and the way of give example of some visualizing and practical approaches are very interesting. They also guide to avoid mugging up and create our analytical thinking and logical proof. In this month, I got first rank in VBM. VBM is Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, which is conducted by GWR. And our project is the Dancing Fountain is primarily selected in Physics Institution of India. It is a big and largest science exhibition. Produce a new learning curriculum which is prepared by some expert educationists. It is for class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th student in our government schools. It is improved our academics and prepared for JEE, NEET and some various examinations. And HLC alumni and HLC management together is starting it. Thank you.
तो भिडियोटी देखिकी आपण निश्चित भाव मन पकई पारुथिबे। तो आज कार्यक्रम रे आम सहित अछंती साई श्रेयांशु स्वाई आम सहित अछंती। आज जो कार्यक्रम एक शिक्षणीय एवं निश्चित भाव किसी अभिभावक एवं किसी छात्र छात्री मानक जो माने आशा रखी किसी करिवार से निहाती फलप्रद हो बोली आशा। तेणुकरी आज कार्यक्रम आरंभ करने पूर्व प्रथम मु साई श्रेयांशु को शुभेच्छा एवं अभिनंदन देवाई चाहिए जे सी ए वर्षर अनेक गुड़िए विगत दिन अनेक गुड़िए सफलता पाई सारिबा परे जोटा को मुख्य लक्ष्य रखी थिले जे आज जो नीट रो एग्जाम रे सफलता पाई छंती एवं निकट भविष्य रे डाक्तरी करिवार एक माने बाट फिटिची। यह तांको पय एक सफलता हम समस्त पय सफलता।